Welcome to CEED Trading Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to set up the copy trading function in Sierra Chart, which is called order allocation to trade accounts here. In order to test this functionality in a simulated environment, you need to first increase the number of SIM accounts, as the default value is set to 1. Under Global Settings, select General Trade Settings, scroll down to Number of Simulated Accounts, and enter your desired value. Click the Apply button to save this value. Now go to the chart that should serve as the master account from which you would like to copy your trades. Under Trade, click on Attach Trade Window to Chart. Then click the Modify button, go to Settings, and click on Order Allocation to Trade Accounts. Select the first account to which you want to copy your trades from the master account from the Available Accounts list, and click on Add. Repeat this process for every account you want to add to your allocation list. Click on the drop-down list to make sure that they are included. If you want to remove an account from the list, simply select it from the drop-down menu and click Remove. Before closing this window, set Order Allocation to Trade Accounts to Enabled by selecting Yes. If you want to have this setting automatically enabled upon restart of Sierra Chart, set Save in Trade Window Configuration to Yes. Otherwise, you will need to enable it manually after every restart. To double-check whether the order allocation functions properly, duplicate the current chart and select SIM2 in the new chart window. Now we're ready to place some orders. As you can see, the order from the master account is automatically allocated to the slave account. You can also activate the Use Attached Orders function to have Take Profit and Stop Loss orders replicated in the slave account. Now that you know how to set up the copy trading function in Sierra Chart, you can start using this great feature with instant funding prop trading firms such as Fast Track Trading, where you can trade up to 20 accounts simultaneously. The link with a currently active coupon code is in the description box. If you found the content in this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other traders who could also find this information useful. See you in the next CEED Trading video tutorial.